Welcome. Today, we're going to be putting 4 AIs to the test to see which is truly better for Roblox coding. I hope you enjoy. Also, credit to the YouTuber RoDev for this idea. Okay, so the first challenge for the AI is going to be pretty simple. I just want a part that randomly changes size. Let's ask ChatGPT, write me a script. I probably need to specify a Roblox script that makes a part randomly change size. And we'll use this prompt for all the other AIs as well. Okay, so here is our code. Let's copy and paste it into our part. Next, let's ask Google Bard. This is Google Bard script, and it looks a lot more optimized than ChatGPT's long script. Next, let's ask Discord Clyde. While we're on Discord, you should join our Discord server. It's a small community right now, but with your help, it could become a much wider community. We've got a counting minigame, and there's even a leveling up system so you can compete to get the highest on the leaderboards. Anyway, back to the video. Here we go, it did it. And lastly, let's ask my Snapchat AI. Okay, and Snapchat also wrote me a script, but it's on my phone, so I'll just have to copy the code down. Okay, so now that all the AIs have written their codes, let's test if they all work. Oh gosh, maybe I should have anchored them. Okay, so the code that Google Bard wrote really made that part grow really big. Just gonna... Okay, and as we can see, all of the other AI's parts work as well. We're gonna let it make a script that makes parts randomly rain out of the sky. And this time we might have to test all the scripts at different times because, yeah. Okay, there aren't any parts raining out of the sky. I'm trying to follow its instructions, but it says insert a part object into the workspace. This will be the raindrop template, but then it's just using instance.newPart here. And it is spawning parts into the workspace, but unfortunately, ChatGPT did not pass this round. Next, let's ask Google Bard, and I misspelled sky in the ChatGPT prompt, so hopefully that didn't mess it up. Here is Google's script. Let's copy it. Okay, so it kind of just spawned a bunch of parts. The code does sort of work if I change some values, but I don't know, it doesn't really look like rain to me. Next, let's ask Discord Clyde. Okay, copy that code, paste it into our script, and run. So Discord Clyde actually did it. They're raining parts of random color and size, so Discord Clyde passes this round. Lastly, let's ask my Snapchat AI. Okay, I just finished typing out the script, let's test. And it works. That means Snapchat AI and Discord Clyde are both on to round 3. So for round 3, let's ask it to write a Roblox script. I can't spell. Makes the player run faster when they click shift. Okay, let's copy this code. Then let's paste the code in and test. And we got an error, attempt to index nil with humanoid. And the reason we got this error is because the script is not waiting for the player's character to actually load in, so the player's humanoid doesn't exist yet. So that means if Snapchat AI can't get this, we'll have to go into a tiebreaker round. Okay, so I finished the script, and it looks pretty similar to the other script that Discord Clyde wrote, but this time we're using wait for child humanoid instead of using dot humanoid. But it still doesn't work because they're not waiting for the player's character to load in. So it just goes attempt to index nil with wait for child. So that means we'll have to move into a tiebreaker round. Snapchat versus Discord Clyde. Okay, so this is the prompt that I've come up with. Write a Roblox script that teleports the player where they click. And they generated us this basic script. Let's copy it. Now let's test it out. Oh wait, what? Script.parent.mouse button 1 click. Is this supposed to be in a text button? I don't know if this really counts as a success or not, but if Snapchat can't whip up anything that can beat this, then Discord will be the winner. Okay, so here's the script that Snapchat AI's made for us. Now let's give it a test. I teleport to where the player quit. So theoretically that means that Snapchat AI is the best AI to use for Roblox coding. Anyway, if you enjoyed, consider leaving a like and subscribe on